Fixed TVs are dead. Cozyla Mate delivers 32-inch cordless 4K freedom anywhere. No cables, no limits. Ever tried following a recipe while your phone keeps sliding into the sauce? Or doing a workout but you can't see the instructor because your TV is stuck in the other room? I used to prop my tablet on a cereal box, pray it didn't fall, and still miss half the steps. Sound painfully familiar? That constant compromise steals your joy. Eyes strained, neck aching, flow completely broken every single time you want to cook, exercise, or just relax somewhere else in the house. You waste minutes rigging temporary setups, knock things over, feel that low-grade frustration bubbling up. Imagine never having to choose between comfort and a proper screen again. Then I accidentally discovered the Cozyla Mate while scrolling late one night looking for literally anything that would fix this nightmare. It's a 32-inch 4K touchscreen on wheels with a built-in battery that lasts up to 6 hours. No cords, no outlets, no limits. You just roll it wherever life is happening. Full 360-degree swivel, height adjust, tilt any angle, lying in bed, standing at the counter, doing downward dog, whatever. The touch is buttery. Android plus Google Play means every app you love is there. Wireless casting from your phone in one tap, plus a 4K camera for crystal clear calls. Picture this. Your mom calls unexpectedly while you're chilling on the patio, you spin the screen toward you, answer in seconds, and she thinks you set up a whole studio. That's the superpower. The big screen is finally as free as you are. I've been using mine daily for over a year. Kitchen mornings, gym lunches, bedroom movie nights, even outdoor dinners, and it never goes back to being just a TV. The battery still delivers 4 to 6 hours depending on brightness, the wheels glide like silk, the stand never wobbles. My friend Dr. Marcus Chen, smart home reviewer with 400,000 subscribers, calls it the single most practical device I've ever put in my house. The thing you didn't know you were missing until it's there. And Sarah, a mom I know with 3 kids, told me last week, I was skeptical about the price, but this replaced our kitchen tablet, the kids' iPad for learning, and the ugly living room TV we never watched. We literally fight over who gets to roll it to their room, worth every penny. The only real objection I ever hear is it's expensive, but when it replaces 3 or 4 other devices and saves you daily frustration for years, it's actually the cheapest upgrade you'll ever make. Tell me in your head right now, which room would you roll it to first? This isn't another screen. It's freedom you'll use every single day and wonder how you ever lived without. Thousands of families, remote workers, and fitness addicts have already made the switch and never looked back. If you're ready to stop compromising and start living with a big screen that follows you anywhere, click the link in the description and bring home your Cozyla Mate today. And if you're still watching, you already know it's going to feel incredible when it rolls through your door.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.